Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel TM Shamatami. So today I'm talking about IELTS speaking part 2. This topic name describe a person you meet at a party and enjoyed a conversation with. You should say who was the person, what topics did you discuss, how did you feel. Okay. Now I would like to talk about describe a person I meet at a party and enjoyed a conversation with. Well, a couple of months ago, it was my best friend Kausar Ahmed's birthday party, and he was my childhood friend. So he invited me for join his birthday party. I went. I joined his birthday party, and Kausar is very honest and best freelancer in whole Bangladesh. He knew. So he knew many top or special freelancer, Bangladeshi freelancer. So he invited those freelancer in his birthday party, and those freelancer come to his birthday party. And when I went Kausar birthday party, when I saw those uh, those those top freelancer and five-star rating freelancer, I was over the moon because if I don't attend Kausar birthday, I don't I don't meet those best freelancer, and I'm also digital marketing expert. 2 years ago, I completed my freelancing journey with digital marketing, and until now, I try to learn something new or special, and I try to meet special freelancer because I want to learn secret items like how to how to find best client and how to discussion with client, how to convince your clients, like those topics. And from my childhood, when I learned freelancing digital marketing, from that time I try to meet with Farjuk Ahmed. And when I attend Kausar Ahmed birthday, that time I saw Farjuk Ahmed also attend his birthday party, and I told Farjuk Ahmed how you can grow your level from 0 star to 5 star, and how you can complete your 1000 order, and how you can earn a lot of money every month. That time, Farooq Ahmed told his every secret topic, how we can improve our business, how we can earn a lot of money from freelancing business, how I can success in my life, those types of topics. And many freelancers give us motivational speech like never give up. If you work a lot, you can earn money and you can success in your life, like those types of motivational speech. And I can learn many new topics from those freelancers. And I have and when I discuss about those topics, like I felt bare peace in my mind. I can't explain this feeling because I can complete my dreams, and all top and Bangladeshi top level freelancer now um, uh, now uh, now connected with me. And when I face a problem at first, I discuss with them. I can easily complete my all problems. So now I feel very peace in my mind. You can you can talk those topics, uh, those topics. Okay. Now follow-up question part 3. Where do people go to meet new people? Okay. You can uh, you can solve. It's depend on everyone interest and everyone demand, because from my point of view, when because from my because when I want to meet with because I want to meet with new people like my friends or family members or relatives. That time I called him Cafe Triple One because it is located near my house, and I like very much to sit at Cafe Triple One, and I meet with new people in Cafe Triple One because their food items also very good. And when new people or other people eat their food, they are fan. They are fan from that time. Uh, they are from that time they try to from that time they join this restaurant page, and every month they try to come to Poland, and I can easily meet with them. So it is one of the best beneficial for me. So that's why when I want to meet new people, I called him Cafe Tripolan. Okay, because it's one of the best and famous restaurant in my cities, and their food items and quality also very good. So majority of people try to and want to come there just for eating their food. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.